Please go ahead.
Being more conscious and reflecting on my own thoughts.
Okay.
Be grateful to everything that exists in your life.
And what else did you learn?
So I learned about how to identify my emotions and how I have to manage them
Very
to
nice.
deliver perfectly in my life.
Very nice. What about you?
Knowing myself better, and before going on with anything else, including professional career or personal relationships, it would be better if we can get to understand ourselves better.
Very nice. What about you?
I learned that major takeaway was that we want to change some behavior which we are not very proud about. Then we have to find some alternatives for that. Try to consciously ensure that alternative.
Do you remember the
behavior-
technique?
Yes, that alternative behavior is
6-step reframing technique.
Six-step reframing technique, and that our body gives the best answer to whatever is good or bad for us.
Very nice. Vishal?
Control over inner atmosphere gives you inner vibrancy to be able to express gratitude for things that we already have, and then we learned the neuro-linguistic programming 6-step technique as stated. And finally, I think that we should like our aura is something that like genuine interest, and like you should be able to visualize and create things for yourself.
Very nice. Very nice. What about you?
Not to look for validation from someone else for your own decisions.
Very well. Very well. So it was a thorough pleasure to engage with all you wonderful minds, and I hope you all take back these methods and techniques that you have learned here and apply them in your day-to-day life. And I wish every one of you a very fantastic life where you experience your positions of power and authority with lot of joy and freedom and never get stuck in anything. Yeah, very, very good wishes. Wishing you all a very, very happy time. Good wishes. Cheers. Yeah. Nice.